B2B sales isn't about selling to just one person, it's a team sport. The decision making process involves multiple stakeholders, CTOs, finance teams, managers, and end users, all engaging with your brand in different ways. So, if you're only tracking individual leads, you're missing the full picture. 1. B2B sales involves multiple stakeholders. Let's break it down. Imagine a company exploring your product. The CTO downloads your technical white paper. The finance team reviews your pricing page. A manager signs up for a product demo. Each of these interactions happens separately, but together they form a complete buying journey. Without consolidated tracking, these signals get scattered, making it difficult to understand the true level of engagement from an account. Insight. Sales Panel connects these interactions into a single view, helping you see the full account level engagement. 2. Improved sales alignment. Now imagine you're a sales rep. If you only see individual interactions, your pitch might be completely off. But with consolidated account tracking, you get a clear view of key decision makers and their engagement, identification of high value touchpoints within the account, timely alerts when an account is actively considering your product. Insight. Sales Panel ensures your sales team focuses on the right accounts at the right time with data driven outreach. 3. Enhanced personalization across the account. B2B marketing isn't about sending generic emails, it's about personalization at the account level. With consolidated tracking, you can dynamically segment accounts based on their collective behavior. For example, if an entire team is actively engaging with your case studies, you can send them an industry specific ROI breakdown. If multiple stakeholders from an account are interacting with your solution page, that's a sign they need a tailored proposal. Insight. Sales Panel helps you build account-based marketing campaigns that resonate with all stakeholders involved, from the C-suite to the end users. 4. Accurate account scoring. Lead scoring works great for individual buyers, but in enterprise B2B sales, it's not enough. One highly engaged lead doesn't mean the entire company is ready to buy. That's where account scoring comes in. Account scoring aggregates engagement across all stakeholders. It ensures no critical buying signal is overlooked. Sales teams can prioritize accounts that are truly ready to buy. Sales Panel automatically scores accounts based on cumulative engagement, ensuring you focus on the most promising opportunities. 5. Streamlined collaboration between teams. When sales, marketing, and customer success teams work in silos, customer journeys become disjointed. But when everyone shares the same account level insights, collaboration becomes seamless. Marketing knows which accounts are sales ready. Sales get a complete view of account activity. Customer success can track engagement post-sale for better retention. Insight. Sales Panel acts as a central hub for account-level data, ensuring alignment between teams and a smooth customer experience. In B2B, the buying process is not about individual leads. It's about the whole account. Consolidated account tracking gives you the full picture, aligning marketing and sales, improving personalization, and driving higher conversions. Want to track and score accounts effectively? Try Sales Panel today. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more B2B sales insights.